Introducing the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, your perfect companion for a healthy lifestyle wherever you are. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender makes your post-workout nutrition effortless and quick. Busy moms can now whip up nutritious smoothies for the whole family in no time with their personal blender. Families can enjoy healthy, delicious drinks together with ease. Equipped with top-notch safety features, you can blend with confidence. Quick and easy USB charging means you can power up your blender anywhere. With an unmatched 3600 mAh battery, enjoy up to 28 protein shakes on a single charge. Smart, stylish and travel-friendly, our blender fits your lifestyle. With a powerful motor and innovative blade technology, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender ensures silky smooth blends every time. Blend your way to a healthier lifestyle with Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, available now.